What can go wrong if you DIY your own expunction? Well, actually a lot. You need to be sure you name every single agency that has records on your arrest, and that can be 6, 7, 8. I've had petitions with 11 agencies or even more, and if you miss one, your record's still going to show up if people go to that agency looking for information. Second, you need to make sure that you use the right statute when you file. Now, with expunctions, it's not as difficult, but especially with non-disclosures, there are a lot of different statutes, and you have to make sure you use the right one with the right waiting periods. If you miss that waiting period on either an expunction or a statute and you file too early, well, you're going to be out your court costs, which is going to be $350 and up, depending on the jurisdiction. If you're like me and you've done hundreds of expunctions, yes, they are pretty simple, but they are also very technical, and if it's your first time doing it, it's going to take a long time, and you definitely could make mistakes. And just understand that if you do DIY it, you are taking on all that risk. Whereas ExpungeTX, we're like a concierge service. We take on the risk if something goes wrong, we handle everything, and this will give you the peace of mind that everything was done correctly.